Hello, 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 hello. Bonjour, bonjour à tous. I am your host, Mabi. I'm out today to enjoy the weather and to start my December challenge. I just completed my November challenge of 100 miles. So I got that in the post, acknowledgement in the post. And also I got another medal. Okay, 100 miles. Now, if someone had told me that I'll be running 100-mile challenges every month, I'd say, nah, forget it. No way, ain't doing that. Not for me. I can run once a week, that's enough, but I've been running 3-4 days a week. Short runs and long runs, it's becoming like second nature to me, and I'm really enjoying it. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you because, again, I'm off again to do another challenge. This month I'm just going to do 75 miles. I noticed it's been harder. I'm tired. No, not tired. I'm looking forward to Christmas, and there's a lot to do. It's so busy here. I didn't expect so many people to be passing by, but hey, who cares? So thank you, Run Challenge, for run challenges, it says, for making me commit to this, and at the same time to enjoy it. It's no pressure, kid you not. But it's nice to push yourself. So I'm challenging myself, especially in the months of winter, to come out on cold days, on wet days, cold and wet days, and then on dark days, and then on cold, wet, and dark days. No snow yet. We might have it maybe in January. I'll still be out. So wherever you are in the world, have a lovely day. Come out, enjoy the weather, do some exercise, go for a walk. I did that yesterday with my cousin. Enjoyed that. So come out and enjoy yourself. Ciao. Thank you. See you soon. Do not forget to head over to my channel and subscribe. Exercise and Wellbeing Zone. Thank you again for watching. Thank you. Bye. Cool. That was done.
Are you taking photos?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, nice.
I
saw you when I come in and the phone was seeing you're busy. So
Yeah. I start this vlog, what you call
right.
vlog.
Yeah.
And it's been challenging, but I enjoy it because I always
really?
used to. I've been doing it, but now it's like I'm really going to do it. So I've been doing it. Yeah.
It's nice actually, special day like this.
It is a lovely day.
So
How are you doing?
Park, I think, to do it.
It is. I come here a lot of the times, especially in the summer.
I come, when I came in today actually, by the time I got ready to go to the shop, come back, I thought I really want to go get 5 minutes of fresh air. And I thought I need a cup of tea first. I said no.
Yeah.
If I had a cup of tea, by the time the sun will go down so quickly.
That's true.
It's ready, it's very shady now on the park where it's always sunny. I thought, no, I'm going to be good today.
It's
And
nice.
just,
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's good when you done it.
That's it. When you're done up, it's all right.
Exactly.
I came the other day with the cotton gloves and mind my hands are very sore.
Make sure you
Never
come out
mind.
warm. Make sure you come out warm. I come out in layers.
Carry on doing that. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
It's
Thank you.
lovely,
Thank
yeah.
you so much. Take
Bye-bye.
care. Look after yourself.